Hello friends, welcome back our YouTube channel Tech Side. Today I will tell you that how to play dream11 after ban in your state in just simple steps. So let's begin. To play dream11, we make a virtual account. From virtual account, we do debit and credit for dream11. To make a virtual account, we go to the Play Store. Search DigiLocker, DigiBank. After install this, I'm in my mobile. The DigiLocker app was installed, so I will open the app. Now the app is opening. Now click to start. Now click on login. No, first click on let's go. Now click on let's start. Now enter your name, write your date of birth, Now fill your phone number and email ID. Write your email ID 2 times. Now click on more steps. Now in your phone the OTP was come, and write in this box. Now set your password and username. Now click on open DigiBank e-wallet. DigiBank was creating. Now DigiBank was created. Now click on got it. Now see. Now first link your Aadhaar card to this DigiBank app. Now click on accept. Now see, your balance is 0. First of all, see that all the bank details which you give to the dream11, all the given in this app. See, CCV, bank account name, number, all things is given. Now open the dream11 app. Your DigiBank account was banned. Now go to the my account section. Now go to the add cash. Now enter the amount which you add in dream11. Now enter in this your account number, card number and CCCV which provide DigiBank app. Now simply copy and paste. First select the wrong state. Select the which state this is in which the dream11 app is working. So you choose Uttar Pradesh, any state. Now simply copy and paste the account number CCV from DigiBank app. Now simply copy and paste. And go to save and proceed. In this they cannot proceed because we have not any amount in our DigiBank app. In Demand app we not have a balance. So first of all click on available balance and now click on top up. First recharge of this app, then proceed to next. Thank you for watching.